Welcome ASVAB warriors. In this video, we are going to learn about the distance formula in coordinate geometry. That means we are going to try to find out the distance between two different coordinate points. Now, for your reference, I have taken this point A over here and point B over here. So, I want to find the distance between these two points. So, first thing what I will do, I'll just connect these 2 points. Then I will find the coordinates of A and the coordinates of B. So coordinates of A, x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 3. For B, x coordinate is 4, y coordinate is 1. Now, what I will do, I will write these coordinates down separately over here. Point A, which is nothing but 2, 3, and point B, which is nothing but 4, 1. So, to apply the distance formula, we need to initially consider one coordinate pair as x1, y1 and the other one as x2, y1. It is interchangeable. You can even keep this as x1, y1 or this as x1, y1. For easy understanding, I'll keep the first one as x1, y1 and the second one as x2, y2. So, what I mean to say by that, I will just write it down for you. This is x1, y1, x2, y1. Now, if you want to find the distance between these 2 points, A, B, so there is a very easy formula. What do we do? The distance D, nothing but the root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. I'll repeat again. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now, easy peasy lemon squeezy, let's just substitute all the values that we know. So, distance formula or the distance of AB is nothing but equal to, let's say, x2. x2 is nothing but 4. x1 is nothing but 2. Take the square of it plus y2 is nothing but 1. y1 is nothing but 3. Take the square of it and this whole thing goes under square root. So if I have to solve it carefully using the PEMDAS method, so PEMDAS parenthesis comes first. So 4 minus 2. I'll keep this root as it is. Now, so 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2 square plus negative 2 square. Now, after parenthesis, it comes exponent. So I'm going to solve the equation for exponents. So the square of 4 is nothing but 4. The square of negative 2 is also 4. So what do we have? Root of 4 plus 4 is nothing but root of 8, which can be also written as 2 root 2. So what did we understand, guys? The distance formula. So the distance formula is nothing but the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. I'm going to solve a question so that you understand the distance formula in exact clear details. So I'll write down the formula in the right hand side. You guys can also write it down. So square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So the question says find the distance between two coordinate points, which is nothing but P having the coordinates, let's say negative 2 comma 3, and Q, which is nothing but 4 comma negative 5. So these are the two coordinate points where we need to find the distance between it. Let's say we need to find the distance PQ. Now, the first step, the step number 1 is nothing but naming them as x1, y1, x2, y2. We already have the formula. I'll just write down the formula again for your reference over here. So, distance is nothing but x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We're going to substitute the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 into this formula. So the value of x2 is nothing but 4. The value of x1 is nothing but negative 2. So I'll just put it as it is. y2 is nothing but negative 5 minus y1 is nothing but 3 whole square. And this whole thing goes under square root. So if I have to solve it now, negative, there are two negative signs, guys. So negative times negative becomes positive. So under root 4 plus 2 whole square plus negative 5 minus 3. Whenever you are adding or subtracting two numbers with the same sign, you usually add the numbers and take the sign of the same number. Let's say this becomes negative 8 whole square. We have 6 square plus negative 8 square. What will we get in the end? 36 plus negative 8 square is nothing but 64. In all, we get root of 100, which is nothing but 10. So the distance between the 2 points P and Q is nothing but 10 units. Now I am going to give you 1 or 2 questions to solve so that you can practice it out after the video is done. And please send me the answer in the comment box. So here are your points, guys. Point A is nothing but 3 comma negative 5. Point B is nothing but 5 comma negative. And this was the first question that you need to find. And the second question which you need to find is nothing but P, which will be, let's say, 4 comma negative 2, and Q, which is nothing but 1 comma. So these are the 2 points you need to find the distance between. If you get the answer, please put the answer in the comment section. Thank you so much.